This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS so you know the exact menu labels. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and Wi-Fi is stable to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and navigate to Lock Screen and Password. This is where the poster option usually lives. You'll act immediately, don't go through unrelated menus. If you don't see the exact labels, look for Display or Wallpaper as equivalent entries. You'll find Lock Screen Poster within Lock Screen or Wallpaper. Tap Poster and toggle it off, or select a standard lock screen option to replace the poster immediately. Once done, check Themes if the poster persists. Some posters are applied as theme items. Open Themes, go to My Items, and unset or delete the poster asset. You're removing the source rather than just hiding it, which prevents it from returning after updates or restarts. After you disable the poster, reboot the phone to make sure the lock screen refreshes. If the poster still appears, clear the System UI or Launcher Cache and Settings apps show System apps. That removes stuck resources. Once done, verify lock screen behavior and restore preferred wallpaper. If none of this works, consider backing up data and performing a factory reset as a last resort. However, you should try cache clearing and uninstalling any theme apps before that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.